In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meeting in Google Calendar. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can cancel an upcoming meeting in just a few clicks. You'll need access to your Google account, and the meeting should be one you created or have permission to manage. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once your calendar loads, make sure you're viewing the correct date. You can switch between day, week, or month views and use the arrows at the top to navigate. If your calendar is busy, the search bar at the top can help you quickly find the event by its title. Now, locate the meeting you want to cancel on the calendar grid. Hover over the event so it's clearly highlighted. Right-click directly on that event to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On some devices, holding Control while clicking works too. You should see a small menu with options related to the event. From that menu, click Delete. When you do, Google Calendar may prompt you with a confirmation. If guests were invited, you'll see the option to notify them of the cancellation. It's generally a good idea to send the cancellation so everyone is informed, and you can add a brief note explaining why the meeting is no longer happening. If the event repeats, you'll be asked whether you want to delete only this instance or the entire series. Choose the option that fits your situation. After confirming, the event is removed from your calendar. Google Calendar typically shows a brief undo option at the bottom of the screen. Use that right away if you clicked delete by mistake. You can also check the trash in Calendar if you need to recover an event later. Items are usually kept there for a limited time before being permanently removed. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you did not create the meeting and don't have management fuss rights, you might see an option like remove instead of delete. Removing simply hides the event from your calendar and doesn't cancel it for others. Also, if you manage multiple calendars, verify you're canceling the event on the correct one by checking the event's color and calendar label. That's it. By going to Google Calendar, right-clicking the meeting and selecting Delete, you can cleanly cancel a meeting and notify attendees in seconds.